Is it really good for him to invest more on what give him that 1 million, or is it good for him to look in the side of forex trading to learn more deep on it, to learn it, or is it really good to purchase a land with his first 1 million? What will I do with my first 1 million? Will I use it to buy land, or will I use it to start forex trading? This is one of the questions that one of my friend asked me. This my friend is he's 27 years old, and he made his first 1 million in that 27 years old. So he asked me, Louis, what will I do with my first 1 million? Please, one of the reasons for creating this video is for you to share your own thoughts. So if you have anything in mind that the person that made his or her first 1 million will do with it, please drop it in the comment section. Okay, I'm going to also narrate to you my story. The first time that I made my first 1 million, I used that experience to guide the guy or tell the guy what to do so that he will not make the first mistake that I made. So I will share my story as well, and I believe that you will grab something from this story, because I mistakenly, will I say mistakenly, because well, I'm confused on how to spend that money, because you are a millionaire, and if you spend it somehow, you know how it will be, you will still return back to zero. So my own first 1 million, I use it to purchase a land. Yes, but later on in future I start to regret that. Why do I use my first 1 million to purchase a land? And one of the reasons why I did that is because I'm watching some videos on social media, and I met one guy. His name is Gege, official Gege. He talks about buy land and keep. And I bought that land with my first 1 million, but to be sincere, I later recognized that yes, I lose this money. Because, and recently one of my friend asked me the same question, is it good, because he just made his first 1 million at 27 years old, is it good to start forex trading or to still buy a land? I told him I am sincere, so if I'm wrong, you can also say your mind in the comment section too. I told him, instead of you to buy land just like me with your first 1 million, use that money to start forex trading. Although I first asked him, what is your passion? Like, what do you love? One of the reasons why I asked him that is because if I told him to start something and he fell, he would be like, hey, you are the one that encouraged me to do this. So that's one of the reasons I want to first hear from him. He said he loved forex trading, and he also said that he needed land, that he wants to purchase a land. I told him, okay, that is good, both of them is good. Forex trading is good and land is good as well. But I will tell you the honest truth, if you purchase a land with your first 1 million, it's just like you just go and keep that money in your bag and zip it and lock it there. But if you start forex trading, mm, that means if you cannot, nobody will tell you to pay 1 million to start forex trading. Somebody used to charge like 300k. If you pay that 300k and start that forex trading, yes, it's true that you will still spend money. I mean, to use it to trade one or two things or do what they say you should do in that your course or whatever your mentor says you should do. You still need more money to do that. I told him to, it's best for you to go for that forex trading to instead to buy land. Reason is because if you just buy land with your first 1 million, it's true that land do appreciate, but land will not appreciate within 6 months. Remember, land of 1 million will not be in a side that will appreciate so fast. Yes, 700,000, 1 million will purchase a land that is inside. I mean, inside the bush. And before development enters that area or before that land appreciates, it will reach like 2 years, 5 years. So that means you just locked up your first 1 million for 2 years or 6 months or even 1 year. But with forex trading, if you start that within 6 months or 1 year, if you're able to learn the strategy so well, you will make more than that 1 million within 1 year or 2 months if you are serious to learn and implement too. Yes, that's what I said. But he said that he's still confused whether to go with the land banking or with the forex trading. He said that he loved both. He loved both of them. So this is one of the reasons why I create this video. Say your mind in the comment section so that he will go through the comment section as well to grab one or two things from that. I also give him more instance. Since you are still confused when it comes to going for forex trading or going for land banking, just you purchase your first land with your first 1 million. I also told him, whatever that gives you that 1 million, what if you invest on it? Like, what if you invest higher on it? Then I am sure that it will still give you more money. I am polite on this because I seriously want this my friend to make more money for himself and also be happy at the end. So is it really good for him to invest more on what give him that 1 million, or is it good for him to look in the side of forex trading to learn more deep on it, to learn it, or is it really good to purchase a land with his first 1 million? So let me tell you my own story. When I made my first 1 million was in 2023, and that is through affiliate marketing. I used that 1 million to go and purchase a land because I used to watch videos on TikTok, most especially Gege. His name is Official Gege. He talks about investment, the reason and the benefit of you purchasing a land and you keep it. So I used my first 1 million to purchase a land, and that's the only money that I have in this world. So I later recognized that if I really use that 1 million to invest in that affiliate marketing, I'm going to make more money. But you see how God do wonders. I still invest that money on that land and I still make more money on that affiliate marketing. I made extra 2 million without running any ads. I do not run ads at all. So in case you don't know what affiliate marketing is all about, it's just you recommending digital products in the online space and you get paid whenever you make a sale. So that is what affiliate marketing is all about. I also make some videos about it. You can go to my channel and watch it. So I still struggle, made more money on affiliate marketing, still become a co-founder of one affiliate marketing platform in Nigeria. So that is so amazing, right? But my story might not still go well with this guy that made his first 1 million at the age of 27. So that's why I asked him, what is in your mind? Like, what do you love to do? Like, what do you really like so that you will not waste this money? So this is where I'm going to end this video, and I believe you learned something from it. Also share your thoughts in the comment section and click subscribe in case you want to learn how to make money in the online space. I share that in this channel. So click subscribe and see you on the next video.